Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our mission today to make a final revision for lesson 2-4 solving equations with variables on both sides. The question say, solve the following equations. If the equations is in identity, write identity. If it has no solution, write no solution. I will start with A here, with this equation, my boys. As usual, we determine the left side and the right side to make our life easier. Now, now to solve any equation, we try to make the x alone. But here I have 6x in the left side and 5x in the 6x in the left side and 5x in the right side. So I have to put them in one side. And I will send this 5x to the left side, my dear student, and negative 3 I will send it to the right side. Okay, so I will draw the equal sign here, and this is the left side, what the left side hold, and this is what the right side hold. Okay, the yellow one is the left and the blue one is the right, as you see. So from before, the 6x is coming down. This is 6x, and the new guess is 5x, but the 5x, when I throw it, it will be negative 5x. What's about the right side? It had negative 5 from before, yes, and the new guest, and say welcome for the negative 3, that will be plus 3. The negative 3, when I move it, it will be plus 3. Now do combine the terms here. In the left side here, I will get 1x, or you can write only x, and in the right side, negative 5 for the grocery and 3 for me. So I will pay my 3 to the grocery guy, and he said don't forget the 2 real next time, so he still want from me 2 real, so it is negative 2. So 1x equal negative 2 is the solution of this equation. I will move to B here, and I will be faster. So here it is the left side and the right side. As usual, I draw the equal sign and determine the left and determine the right side. I remember to collect all the y's or the variables in the left side. So from before I have 7y, yes, it is from before. It is the host, and the guest is, yes, negative 3y. Okay, but in the right side, the host is negative 31 and the new guest is negative 5. I combine the terms here. In the left side, I will have 4y, and in the right side, it is negative 31 and negative 5. That means the grocery guy wanted from me 31 and 5 real, so it is, yes, negative 36. And in this case here, I'm trying to make the y alone as usual, and the coefficient here is the 4, so I will divide both sides by 4. This side and this side, so the y coming happy and alone, and here I have negative 9. Yes, okay, my dear student, so this is the solution. Okay, let us move to C here. Yes, here Yes, see, it is here, the solution from my student. So I'll clear it now and move to C. To solve C here, I have parentheses. As you know, my dear students, the first step, break the parentheses. Use the distributive property or Ali story. So now, here I have negative sign, see? So I will consider this negative sign, it is -1, and the -1 will multiply by 3h and the +4, so it just inverts the sign for the terms inside the parentheses. And I will start my beginning and use my beginning or my start. It is the left side and the right side. So as I said, this is -3h, -4. This is the left side. And regarding to the right side, my dear student, here I also have to break the parentheses, but you have to pay attention about something here. This is not 3 only, this is -3, so be careful. You have to reverse the sign for this and this with the multiplication also. So the 6h coming down, and when I break the parentheses here, so I will get -9h, -6. Okay, I will combine the terms in the right side here. I will combine the term here. This is like terms in the same side, so combine them. They will be -3h, 6, -9, -3h, by the way, negative side, and -6. And in the left side, everything stay as it is. And now I will throw the h's in the one side, in the left side, my dear student, here, and throw the numbers in the right side. When I throw, I change the sign. Remember, the -3h here, it is a host. Yes. This I will throw it now. It will be +3h. And here, the -6, -6, it is a host. I mean a host. It is old in this side. Okay. And the newcomer here, it is the -4, so it will be 4. Okay, my dear student. Now, -3h plus 3h, it is 0. So the left side will be 0. And the right side for -6, it is -2, as you know. And as you see here, the left side not equal the right side, despite it has equal sign. So this statement is not correct. And because I read to not correct statement, I have to say for this question, sorry for you, but there is no solution. That's mean there is no value of h make the left side equal the right side, my dear student. By the way, okay, it is the solution of this. Okay, my dear student, let us move to the next one here. It is D. Okay, this is the left side and this is the right side. And now Ryan join me, but Ryan don't know the first step here. We have to break the parentheses.
I know.
Can you break the parentheses here, Ryan?
Yes, it will be down 14 plus 3 and equal 8 and -3 2 4 or and 4.
Okay, let me help you. Let me do this for you first to learn then. Okay, as you said, in the left side we keep the 14 plus
3n.
the left side waiting. What will happen when I break the parentheses in the right side here? As you know, the 8n, it is still, yes, thank you. But here I said to my student, this is 3, not 3, it is negative 3.
Yes.
So the negative 3 will multiply by 1n, then multiply by the negative 4, 1 by 1. Okay, negative 3 multiply n, I will start from here. Negative 3 multiply n, it is negative 3n. It is easy, Ryan. You just put the number in front of the letter. Okay, and negative 3 multiply negative 4, Ryan. You know?
Yes.
It is equal.
Divide or
multiply.
Okay. 3 multiply 4,
equal.
12. So negative 12.
But we have two negative.
Yeah. So it will be a positive. So 12.
It is plus 12. Great. Okay. Now I have two terms or two like terms here.
Did you have to put the plus?
Yes, sure. The plus for 12.
Yes.
Now 8n negative 3n, Ryan.
And
8n negative 3n
equal 5n.
5n. So I will erase this
And write
5n. And this is still positive. And now I will throw
1.
I will collect
the numbers with together and the variables together.
Great boy.
I hear you said it.
Okay, this is the left side and this is the right side. I will collect the variables in the left side
and the
number in the right side. Yeah. But actually from before I have 3n here. Yes?
Yeah.
And 12 here from before. Yes? So I will now throw this to this side, so it will be negative 5n. I have to remind my friends that
when you throw, it's being the opposite. If it is multiply, it will be divide.
You mean if it is positive?
Yes, it will be negative.
And if it is negative?
It will be positive.
Great. So when I throw the 14 here, it will be what?
It is negative 14.
It will be negative 14. Negative 14 here. But between them here, I have to write plus.
Or plus, yes?
Yes, plus, because this is the sign for the 12 actually, yes? Because it has nothing, but I know it is positive. Now, 3n negative 5n.
It is negative 2n.
Great, mashallah, good, you know it. So the left side here, it is negative 2n. And negative 14 plus 12.
Negative 14 plus 12. So it is negative 2.
Negative 2, bravo.
Also. Negative 2n. Or no?
No, it is not.
So it is equal, yeah.
Now, as you see here, the coefficient of n is?
Negative 2n. What?
The coefficient of n, it is the number that stick with the letter. What is the number that stick with the n?
2. Or negative 2.
Negative 2 only. The variable called the letter called variable, and the number that stick without any operation between them, we call it coefficient.
Yeah.
Now, and all of time I divide by the coefficient, so divide by 2 or negative 2 and divide by negative 2, so this will be cancelled, the n will be alone here and happy, and negative 2 divided negative 2 equal 1, so the answer is n equal 1.
This is correct.
And you know what is the meaning of solution?
Yes, n equal 1.
Yes.
That mean 14. This D. Yes. That mean D. It is equal. Equation D. It's equal n equal 1.
Let me explain to you, Rian. When you get a value for any letter, which is here n equal 1, that means if I replace the n by the 1 here and the n by the 1 and the n by the 1 and do the calculation, the left side will be equal the right side. So this value make the left side equal the right side. So when anyone asks you what is the solution, anytime it is the value that make the left side equal
the right side.
Oh, great. Now we are here. So the first step, determine
the left and the right side. You have to break the parentheses.
Give me.
Okay. 2.
Let me wait. Let me draw this side is the left, and let me stretch it a little bit, and it is equal. Here is the okay. Now in the left side I will have
2 10 or 2 multiply 10. Yes.
Equal
x.
2 multiply
10 equal 20x.
20x.
Positive 28 or
multiply 2. You have don't forget you have to multiply this by 2 and this by 2. Okay, great. Yalla.
So 2 multiply 10 or 20 equal 40. And 2 multiply 28 equal
let me help you.
I know. Wait a minute. 40 30 or 40 50 4
No,
6?
56. Okay, now and I have in the right side, give me what we have in the right side.
3x.
Let me combine them.
Yes, you will combine them, so it will be 10x plus 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now when I have the same term or like terms in the same side, combine them, okay, to make your life easier. Okay, this is the left side and this is the right side and this is the equal sign between them. Okay, I will throw this
to
the left side or the yellow side. It will be negative 10x. But beginning I will write 20x. It is from the beginning. Negative 10x. And the 56 I will throw it beside the 6 here. So it will be 6 minus 56.
Negative 56 it will be.
Yes, I write it, you see?
Yeah.
This negative. So 20x minus 10x equal 10x. And 6 negative 56.
It will be negative 50.
Negative 50. Then I will divide. What is the coefficient here?
So 10.
What is the coefficient?
The coefficient, it is of course 10.
10. So I divide by 10. Yes, both sides. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. This will be erased. So the x will be alone.
And happy.
And 50 divided by 10 to make your life easier. Erase the 0. Erase the 0. Negative 5 divided by 1 equal
5.
Negative 5.
Negative 5, yes.
Okay, this is the solution. And the solution, as my students know before, from before, it is the number that make the left side equal the right side or make the equation correct or true. Let us move here. Okay.
So this solution is this equation is correct. X equal
negative 5. Yes.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Determine the left and the right side.
Yes, thank you. I will break the
parentheses.
Okay. I will combine first the term here, or break the parentheses is the same time in the same. It is the same thing. Okay. So here I will combine. I will start with the left side. It has 4m here and 8m here, so it will be 12m. Yes.
Yes.
And let me write it correctly or neatly. Okay, and I have 9 and 7. It will be
9 and 7 easy 16.
Yes. And in the right side I have to break the parentheses.
Yes.
Go ahead.
2 multiplied by 6m equal 12m. And 2 multiply 8 equals 16.
Great.
So Now you will determine the left and the right second time. Yes. Then you will.
I will move.
Yes. You move the 12 to the left side and the
It will be negative 12.
Yes. And the 12. The other 12 which will go to the right. 16. 16. Yes. Will go to the right side. Negative 16. It will be.
So 12m minus 12m, as you see, it is 0. Okay. Don't tell anyone. By slow motion, this equals 0. Okay. And 16 minus 16 or negative 16, 0 also. Now I get 0 here in the left side, and I get 0 here. This is correct statement, but this, tell me, this equation, it's called identity. It's called
Identity.
Okay. And the identity means there are infinitely many solutions for this, or you can say any value in the world. Okay, you put it in the end. Okay, it make the equation true or correct, or the left side equal the right side. The last question, Rayyan, let us stop wasting the students' time. And left side, and this is the right side. And in the left side, what I will have, ya Rayyan?
You will break the parentheses, of course. Then it will be negative 8x. Yes, multiply by negative 3x. It is equal.
Continue.
Yes.
This is negative 1. Okay.
Yes.
It is not only negative. I said to my student Rayyan, there are a hidden one here. So negative 1 multiply 3x, it is negative 3x. And negative 1 multiply 6, it is?
Negative 1 multiply, it is negative 6.
Great. I'm done from the left side. Okay, it is a tricky question, by the way, Rayyan. It is not easy for the newcomers. Okay. Now it is here 4 minus x. Now I have alike terms in the same side here, so I will combine them. Negative 8, negative 3
equal? It will be negative 11.
Negative 11.
Or erase it.
What?
Erase it, this.
Okay, I will erase it, yes. So here I will have negative 11x negative 6. Yes.
Yes, and in the what we'll do in the right side?
Now I have to throw, yes?
Yes.
Okay, let me prepare my sides. This is the blue, the yellow, and this is the blue, and this is the equal sign. Now I have from before negative 11x, and I will throw this thing here. Yes. It will be
negative x. Oh, positive x. Yeah, it will be x.
Don't lost in Los Angeles, Rayyan. Okay, pay attention. So it is plus x, it will be, and I will throw this guy to the right side, but before that let me write the host, the old guy here. Yeah. So it is 4, and the newcomer,
it will be 6, not negative 6.
So how I write it?
Positive 6.
Plus 6, great. Now 11x plus x equal?
Plus x equal x.
You don't know? Let me tell you something. There are 1 here. Now, negative 11 plus 1.
It will be 1. 10, I mean negative 10.
Negative 10, great. So here it is negative 10x.
X, yeah.
And here?
It will be, yes, I know it, 10.
10, yes.
10.
Now, Rayyan, here, what is the coefficient?
Negative 10.
Great, so I have to do?
Yes, divide.
By?
So, by 10, negative 10, I mean. So,
both sides, remember?
Yes.
So this will be cancelled, and the x coming down and happy
and alone.
And happy, like me.
Yes.
It is equal?
X, 0. X equal
10 divide
negative 10. Negative.
Forget the negative.
Yeah.
10 divided 10.
Divided 10. 1.
1, and then you add the negative.
Negative.
But if this 10 has a negative, you would do like this: 10 divided 10 equal 1, okay, and negative with negative will be positive, okay.
Yes.
But because we don't have this, sorry, okay, so 10 divided by 10 first, it is 1, then I throw the negative sign here. Are you happy?
Yes.
Thank you, Rayyan, for this a great helpful from your side. Okay, thank you, my students, and see you in the next video.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Yes.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. Goodbye.
Goodbye.